Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to turn on display typing indicators on Slack. Maybe you want to turn it on, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can turn on the display typing indicators on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you'll see this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see these preferences. Tap on these preferences. And then in here, scroll down and you'll see under the accessibility, display typing indicators. These will see when someone is typing. To turn this on, simply toggle this button to the right. And there you go. If you wanted to know on how you can turn on display typing indicators on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on the display typing indicators on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.